Hey guys, what's up? So this is the aloe vera plant, and this is what we'll be using to make our homemade hand sanitizer. So this is it. This is the plant itself. Just so you just can so I just cut this piece from it, and I'll be using this to show you how you can make your own hand sanitizer at home. So just follow through, watch the video and follow the steps. Alright, so that's it. So what I'm doing now, I'm really just peeling the aloe vera. So all I need is the aloe vera, any rubbing alcohol. So I'm in the process of peeling this. Now this is the next step. I'll add it to my blender for it to blend up and give me that nice liquid gel. You understand? So that's it. Add it to the container. So guys, this is the straight natural aloe vera. Realize this is it, and this is it in its liquid form. Now what I'll do, I'll get my alcohol and this. Just add my rubbing alcohol to this mixture. Get some more, and then this is my rubbing alcohol I'm adding to the mixture. So ensure that this is over and over 60% alcohol. And there you have it, guys. So this is it with my rubbing alcohol added to the mixture. And just for you to ensure that it's over 60% alcohol. And this is your hand sanitizer. So all you need to do is just to get your container and add this to it, and you're good to go. So